I'd like to reintroduce a radical concept.
What good is an idea if you don't do anything with it? Those who decide to take the risk, to stop talking about it, and to actually have the courage to do something are the ones that will make a difference.
Because for hundreds of years, some of us have looked to the stars and longed to go. And because for hundreds of years, some of us dedicated our labors to the development of the concepts and systems required to make those voyages possible.
Which is why one of my passions is to make sure that any kid with dreams and boldly dreams of changing the world would have the same opportunity as I have. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
Now I'm in a good place to talk about this because I am standing today in Auckland.
I want to be here!
I think we are about to enter a whole new world where we feel as if we have a lot of control.
We imagined the unimagined and then we did it.
And a woman fully realized is a woman fully equipped to take on the complexity of this world.
Ask yourself this question. If you died tomorrow, can you honestly say that the world is a better place with you having been in it?
What unites TED speakers, besides a passion for what they do, is they've learned to grab hold and harness the ideas that matter to them, and with determination, they've changed these into tangible, world-changing realities.
In 100 years' time, we can look back at today and thank the people who actually made it happen.